Hey guys, KC1FS here with a quick demonstration of the Microamp prototype. Microamp is a microcontroller based AllStarLink node, and we're currently connected to the internet over an Ethernet connection. I'm just going to dial up the AllStarLink Parrot for a quick audio test.
Parrot connected. Stand by. Network test succeeded. Ping time 17 milliseconds. Codec is 16K linear. D to record.
Here is KC1FS testing Microamp.
Peak is -9 dB. Average is -25 dB. Level is good. Playback.
Here is KC1FS testing Microamp. Okay, that's it. 73s.